In this video, I'm going to show you how to check block list on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook app and then hit right here at the bottom right corner Add menu icon. Next, tap right here at gear icon, and from here you can tap there at the top where it says search settings and just start typing blocking BL, and as you can see here you got just one result already, that's blocking. You can hit on that to see your block list for that account. Here as you can see I got no accounts blocked, and I can hit right here at plus sign to add here someone. I can search for an account, and from here I can just tap here at block to block that person. And now if I go back here I can find that account that I have just blocked, and also in any time I can go back here and tap right there where it says unblock and then confirm unblocking of the account. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.